Hello dear fans. What is muscle tissue? Everyone knows that muscle tissue is the main part of muscles and is responsible for the movement of organisms in the external environment, as well as for the movement and contraction of organs within the body itself. What is this fabric? Muscle tissues are tissues of different structure and origin, possessing the ability to express contractions and ensuring the movement of the whole organism, its parts and internal organs, such as the intestines, heart, tongue, etc. It should be noted that cells of other tissues are also capable of contracting. But only in muscle tissue cells, this is the main function. Muscle cells are elongated, spindle-shaped. In the cytoplasm, they contain thin contractile fibers, myofibrils, and proteins, actin and myosin. The structure of these fibers form the basis for the division of muscle tissue into smooth and striated. The structural unit of smooth muscle is a myocyte, a cell with pointed, sometimes bifurcated ends. The nucleus is in the center, and all organelles are around it. The location of actin is oblique and longitudinal, and myotin is only longitudinal. Since there is no ordered plexus of these two proteins, the cell looks smooth when stained. Smooth muscle tissue contracts slowly, weakly, wavy, and almost not subject to fatigue. She has a well-developed ability to regenerate. However, in organs that have evolved recently, the ability to restore is absent. The autonomic nervous system is responsible for the work of this type of tissue, that is, the fibers contract involuntarily. In striated muscle tissue, the actin and myosin filaments form complexes and thereby create a transverse striation. The cells are elongated, cylindrical in shape, with blunt ends, connected in bundles and parallel to each other. In case of damage, intracellular recovery takes place. In this group, two types of tissue are distinguished, skeletal and cardiac. The main constituent of skeletal muscle tissue is called symplast, multinucleated muscle fibers. In this type, red and white muscle fibers can still be distinguished. Whites are capable of strong, but short-lived contractions, while reds are able to work for a long time. Each skeletal muscle consists of both fibers, but in different proportions. The process of contraction of this type of tissue is controlled by the mind. Cardiac muscle tissue consists of striated cells, cardiac myocytes. And unlike skeletal muscle tissue, it has areas where the fibers are closed. This structure allows you to quickly transfer contraction from one fiber to another and provides a simultaneous contraction of the heart muscle. Depending on the type of formation, muscle tissue is still usually divided into mesenchymal, epidermal, neural, coalomic, and somatic. Moreover, the first three types belong to smooth muscles, and the fourth and fifth to striated. Thanks for watching.